everyone. Myself Pratyusha Anandra from class 5th. Today I am going to present a poem on freedom fighters. I love my country, I love my country that has great history, with so many freedom fighters, who sacrificed their life. Mahatma Gandhi taught non-violence. His life is inspiration. Who led so many freedom movements. Lokmanya Tilak was father of Indian unrest. Who believe in socialist principles. Led home rule league movement. Chandrasekhar Azad was an aggressive nationalist. Led Hindu Republic Association. Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Veer Savarkar, let memorize their sacrifices. All full of patriotism. Jai Hind. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Nichedara. I am from class 4. Today I am going to recite a poem. The topic is Har Ghar Tiranga. The Indian national flag is the symbol of pride. It is international. It is the responsibility of every Indian to honor national flag. Har Ghar Tiranga is a program suggested by the central government of India to honor national flag. This program is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav campaign launched by the government run up to 75th year of independence. Thank you everyone.
Start.
Good afternoon, principal. Good afternoon, respected principal, sir, teachers, and my all dear friends. My name is Rajbir Thakre from class 5th. Today I am going to recite a poem, which topic is Har Ghar Tiranga. Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. Ours known for bravery for ages. None with it compete. Its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, its green forest and are pretty. Its green forests are pretty and are source of prosperity. Let's for it work hard. Good afternoon everyone. Respected principal sir, judges, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Bhargav Mishra from class 4 Shanti House. Today I am presenting a poem entitled Freedom Fighter. What do we know freedom is? We not under Britisher hunter. Ask the price of liberty from them who lost everything for it. them, who put a mark with their blood on forehead. Asked the price of liberty from them, who smiled to see her son red with blood. Asked the price of liberty from them, who lost the apple of their eyes. Asked the price of liberty from them, who slept in the lap of death with smile. Asked the price of liberty from them, whose son never returned home. Asked the price of liberty from them, who unfurled the tricolor for the first time. Asked the price of liberty from them, who had paid for it. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon everyone. I am Nilima Biswal from class 3rd. Today I will recite a poem. So let's start. It is not my desire to be weaved in an ornament of a beautiful girl. It is not my desire to be weaved into the garland and tend to a beloved. It is not my desire, oh hurry to a dawn or funeral of a monarch. It is not my desire to be presented as an offering to a goddess and rejoice at my good luck. O gardener, all I desire that thank you and have a nice day.
Start.
Good afternoon, my dear friends and teachers. My name is Gunjan Sundare and I am from class 4. Today's topic is freedom fighters.
Start.
What do we know? What is freedom fighter? Ask the price of their liberty from them, those who have lost everything for their freedom. Ask the price of the liberty from them, those who have seen days fulfilled with darkness. Ask the price of the liberty from them, those who have loved their country more than their lives. Ask the price of the liberty from them, those who have put a mark with the blood on their forehead. Ask the price of the liberty from them, those whose sons do not return home again. Ask the price of the liberty from them, those who have paid for it. Thank you.
Start.
Good afternoon. My name is Anurag Singh, class 4. Good afternoon. My name is Anurag Singh. I am class 4. I am recite the poem. If I am in a war zone, put my medals on my chest. Put my medal on my chest. Tell my mom I did my best. To tell my dad not to go, he won't get attention from me now. Tell my bro to study perfectly. He on my bike will reach permanently. Tell my sister not to upset. Her bro is long sleep after sunset. And my nation not to cry because I'm a shoulder bound to die.
Start.
Good afternoon everyone, respected professor, judges, teachers and my dear friend. Myself Ashka Yadav from class 5th Shanti House. Today I am presenting a poem entitled Har Ghar Tiranga. I salute my flag. It makes me proud. I am an Indian. It says out loud. Three bright colors adorn my flag. Saffron, white, and green make me glad. At the center, Ashok Chakra signifies working for 24 hours. Saffron says be brave and courageous. White symbolize peace and calmness. Bottom green focus on growth. My tricolor is my dignity, whether you are Bengali, Bihari, Marathi, and Gujarati. It unites all of us from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. It memorizes leaders and our freedom fighters, sacrifice of our soldiers. This is my appeal to all of us. Let's bow your head, let's salute our flag. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Yashaswini Singh from class 5. I am going to recite a poem, a tribute to freedom fighters. It is not my desire. It is not my desire to be. It is not my desire to be weaved in the ornaments of a beautiful girl. It is not my desire to be weaved in the ornaments of a beautiful girl. It is not my desire to be weaved in the ornaments of a beautiful girl. It is not my desire. It is not my desire to be. It is not my desire to be weaved into a lover's garland and tempter below. It is not my desire. It is not my desire to be weaved in the ornaments of. It is not my desire to be weaved into a lover's garland and tempter below. It is not my desire, oh Harry, to adorn the funeral of a monarch. It is not my desire to be weaved in. It is not my desire, oh Harry, to adorn the funeral of a monarch. It is not my desire to be presented as offering to the goddess and rejoice at my good luck. O gardener, all I desire is that you will pluck me and throw me on that path. O gardener, all I desire is that you will pluck me and throw me on that path on which our brave soldiers will tread to sacrifice their lives for the motherland. On which our brave soldiers tread to sacrifice for the motherland. Thank you. Jai Hind. Good afternoon. My name is Khushi Piliwan from class 5th. I am recite the poem topic of freedom fighter. I love my country. I love my country. There are many freedom fighters. There are many freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose. I love my country, I love my country. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ansh Katre from class 4. My house is Shakti. Respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I am recite the poem Indian Dream. Saffron white and green, saffron white and green. These are the color of my dream. These are the color of my dream. Courage, purity, and prosperity. Courage, purity, and prosperity. These are the meaning of my dream. These are the meaning of my dream. We should work hard for our dream. We should work hard of our dream. We should take pride and keep our nation clean. We should take pride and keep our nation clean. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal sir, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself is Pandana from class 5th Shanti House. Today I am presenting a poem entitled Freedom Fighters. I love my country. I love my country. That has great history. That has great history. With so many freedom fighters. With so many freedom fighters who sacrificed their life. Who sacrificed their life. Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi taught non-violence, taught non-violence. His life is inspiration. His life is inspiration. Who led many freedom moments. Who led many freedom moments. Lokman Tilak. Lokman Tilak. Was the father of Indian arrest. Was the father of Indian arrest. Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad. Who believed as socialist principle. Who believed as socialist principle. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
Start.
Good afternoon to everyone, respected principals and teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Mandir Singh. I am studying in class 5th. Today I am presenting the topic of freedom fighter poem. He was the one who was punished for the wonderful things. Did them the pupil, did them he earned the, now he earned the pupil respect. They did them this their hero. He fought pupil freedom. Yes, he is our freedom fighter. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Lipi Verma from class 5. Today I am reciting a poem of a freedom fighter. Rose again from a pyre was a revive. Love began to unite all climes. For no reason where the freedom now. This was the power of a brave man, the bravest man of all sons of Mother India. That was Bhagat Singh. Thank you, Jen.
Start.
Good afternoon. My name is Mishti Patne from class 5th. Today I am going to recite the poem. The topic of the poem is You are the grand old flag. You are the grand old flag. You are the high flying flag, and forever in the peace may you wave. You are the emblem of the land I love. The land I love, but should all equitance be forget? Equitance be forget. Keep your eye on the grand old flag. You are the grand old flag. You are the high flying flag. Thank you.
Start.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respect principal sir, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. Entitled Azadika Amrasya. My country is my life. My country is my life. India has completed 75 years. India has completed 75 years of freedom. Today we are independent country. My country is my life. My country is my life. There are three colors in the flag. There are three colors in the flag. I love my country. I love my country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Start.
Good morning, dear. Good afternoon, respected principal sir, judges, and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem. My poem's title is We Salute the Flag. We salute the flag. We salute the flag for the colors that it wears. We salute the flag for the legends that it bears. For its takes of man hero, for its message atone and grave. uphold the country's proud. Its gallantry, its answer to a need, and its answer to a need for chivalry of purpose, and its grandeur. We salute the flag for its great soul and its my life. Thank you. My name is Sharu Dominic. I study in class 5th. Today is my poem on freedom fighters. Bhagat Singh, Indian freedom fighters, Bhagat Singh,
बोलो बेटा.
he said that Inqilab Zindabad gives him a warmer tribute. Jai Hind, thank you. My name is Kapil Chai. I study in class 12. Today I am saying poem.
Start.
Good afternoon, my dear friends, teachers, and all vulnerable present here. Respected principal sir, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Dhriti Tekam from class 12. Today I am presenting a poem entitled is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. I love my nation. It is full of innovation. Punjab is for bravery and farming. Bengal is incredible for art, creativity and writing. Rajasthan is for patriotism and history. Maharashtra is for spectacular victory. Karnataka is for priceless silk. Haryana is for farm and milk. Madhya Pradesh is for hard tribals. Bihar is for rich minerals. Uttarakhand is for heavenly beauty, and seven sisters of Northeast are rich in tranquility. India is a pride, but being Indians is my pride. Thank you.